Hello, people. So there is this particular movie that I saw yesterday. It's called Malcolm and Mari. It's on Netflix, and the reason I made sure to sit and watch it was because Samantha Ruth Prabhu, who's such a well-known South Indian actress, Telugu actress, she had spoken about it so highly on her Instagram. And Malcolm and Mari is basically um, it's only about these two characters, a husband and wife, and who are having a conversation, and the entire movie is in black and white. So that it's a 2 hour long conversation nahi, it's an argument between the couple who it's the husband is a film director and the wife would have wanted to be in his film, but she was not taken for the movie, not taken in the movie. And the entire 2 hour movie is all about how when they come back from a premiere show, it's basically it chronicles their fight. So it is my god, it's very reflective of the kind of I don't know, conversations that couples would have probably. But um, but that's what Malcolm and Mari is, the kind of show kado. It is a movie that you should watch if you're looking for a different experience, because that's what it will provide. So do try and catch it, people. It's called Malcolm and Mari, and it is on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.